everyone. Welcome to In Stitches with Mary. I'm Mary and we're here at Neil's Vacuum and Sewing Center. I want to thank you for joining me. This is our September In Stitches with Mary. I hope you enjoy it. I've got 3 projects I want to show you. The first one is my charming pleated pillow that I actually showed in our June. This is what you can make out of a layer cake in Stitches with Mary, but this can actually be done with a charm pack. So I'm going to show this one to you. I got a pretty little petal pouch, just a little drawstring bag. That's a really neat little starter project for the young kids out there, but these go together so quick for little gift bags for you adults as well. And then I've got the feature, which is our fall table topper or candle ring holder kind of thing, and it's September, so I was looking at the fall colors. So why don't we get started? Okay, let's start with our first little project here, this cute little petal pouch. I think it's darling for a little girl. I see a lot of little gift cards being put in here with some Christmas fabrics this year. Think of Valentine's Day, maybe even a few Halloween treats with some Halloween fabric. They go together really, really fast. So the first thing you're going to need is 2 12-inch squares. Now I'm going to be real honest with you here. I cheated a little bit. I have a 12.5-inch square ruler, and I just used the whole 12.5 inches. That works too. All right, so all you're going to do is to take your 2 fabrics, 2 contrasting fabrics, right sides together, and we're going to stitch all the way around, but make sure you leave that opening for turning. We've got our opening here. We're going to take it to the ironing board, and I want you to press both of those seams to the inside, which is still out. We haven't turned it inside out. It's still on the outside. I want you to press them back like this. That gives you that nice crease, so when you turn it inside out, that crease is already there and you don't have to try to fiddle with a hot iron and get them tucked in there just right. Make sure you clip your corners diagonally, don't cut your threads, and then you're going to turn that inside out. Once we are turned inside out, you're going to take it back to your cutting board, and of course we've given it a really good press. Here is that opening. Remember, see, when we press that under, look how nice that lays on both sides. You have the option now of stitching all the way around, just edge stitch that all the way around, or you can slip stitch that opening shut, but you do want to do something with that opening. Now what you need to do is to turn under your corners. The petal part here, that is going to be your lining. This is what's going to show as far as the petal. This part here is the outside of your bag, so that when we draw up our drawstring, this is going to pop out. We're going to measure in or across and up 3 3/4 inches. If you get 3.5, you get 4 inches, it's okay. I like to just take it to the cutting board, put it in there and measure over, and that's where I want to cut that, measure and fold that up. Give that a good pressing. Same with all 4 corners. We're going to turn those under, okay? And here we're going to make the casing for our drawstring. You're going to stitch about 1/2 inch, 5/8 of an inch, somewhere in there, straight down, right next to your fold. You're going to do that on all 4 corners. And we're ready to add our drawstring. This is one I did previously. We've added the drawstring. I'm going to be honest with you, this one was actually one of the first ones I did, and it's a 10-inch square, so you could make a smaller version using a layer cake. So this actually came from a layer cake. 2 10-inch squares. Don't turn under quite as much on that corner. You're going to insert I said about 2/3 of a yard, 24 inches of drawstring, and you need 2 of them because you're going to insert one going all the way around this way, and then the other one you're going to start over here and go all the way around this way. And when you pull that up, got that inside out. Remember, our petals are the lining. You're going to pull that up, and you've got a cute little petal pouch. This is a pretty small one. as far as 10 inches. But wouldn't that be cute for a little flower girl to carry? You can make larger ones for your bridesmaids. They go together real fast. You can use ribbon, you can use cording, whatever you would like to draw those up. But they come together real